Hello. On today's video, we will be providing a step-by-step overview on how to utilize castomatic for your image critique assignments. We will also discuss the image critique assignment in more detail or more depth. In addition to that, we will also be demonstrating a sample of the image critique recording that you will be conducting for Professor Loomis. First step is to go to castomatic.com right here. Then you select Start Recording for Free. This screen is going to pop up. You'll click on Launch Free Recorder. It will load. It's going to ask you if you want to open the screen castomatic. You click on Open. Give it a few seconds. Then the recorder is going to launch. It's located down in the bottom left-hand corner. This is the screen. You're going to go ahead and select for the screen size full screen, which is already selected here for me. Then once you want to begin the recording, you go ahead and select record. A 3, 2, 1 drop down is going to pop up, and now everything on this screen is being recorded. The moment that you want to stop the recording, you're going to go down to the bottom and you're going to hit the pause button. And I can play back the video so you can see it. It's going to pop up, and now everything on this screen is being recorded. The moment that you want to stop the recording, you're going to go down to the bottom and you're going to hit the pause button. So that concludes the video on how to use castomatic.com. So here's an overview of the image critique assignment. Professor Loomis will provide each of you with 5 random x-rays for your midterm assignment and also your final exam assignment. You'll be utilizing an HP Surface Pro 4 tablet and castomatic.com to record your critique in the radiology building. So the rubric for your image critique assignment is as follows. You're going to identify the projection of the x-ray image first. You're going to discuss the anatomy required to be demonstrated on the radiograph. You're going to discuss the evaluation criteria for the image as listed in your Merrill's textbook. And then you're going to discuss whether or not you believe this is an acceptable radiograph that you would present to an x-ray technologist for approval. If it is, why is that the case? If it isn't, why isn't it acceptable? And lastly, the hands-on performance. You will be positioning the x-ray for the 5 random radiographs for the midterm and then the 5 random radiographs for your. So this is an example of an AP projection of the shoulder. Some of the structures shown include the scapula, the clavicle, the acromion, the scapulohumeral joint, the proximal humerus, and you know that this is an AP external rotation because the greater tubercle is in profile. So the last question that students would answer, is this an acceptable radiograph that I would submit to a technologist for submission? And the answer I have is no, because of this artifact. What if the patient was complaining of rib pain in addition to the shoulder pain that he or she is having, and so this artifact obscures the visualization of this anatomy? So this just provides an example of everything labeled in detail. If you have any additional questions, please contact Professor Loomis. Thank you and have a great day.